In the regular Tengon diagram, or Tengon is also called a decagon. So if this is a decagon, what is the degree measure of angle IFH? So this is angle IFH, and we need to find the angle IFH. So because it's a regular polygon, so all of its sides are equal, and what would happen as a result of that is IFGH is I should say is an isosceles trapezium or trapezoid. IUM. So trapezium or trapezoid, you know, whatever you want to call it, or trapezoid, right? So if that's the case, so what happens, what follows from there is that HGF is an isosceles triangle. Therefore HGF is an isosceles triangle. Now we can find the interior angles of the decagon. So interior angles interior angles of the decagon would equal, so we use the n minus 2, n is the number of sides, times 180 out of n, so that would be 10 minus 2 times 180 divided by 10, so that is 8 times 8 times 18, sorry, and that is 4 and 144. Okay, so that's 144 degrees. So I can write here that it is 144 degrees. So that is the interior angle of the decagon. So this angle is 144 degrees. So then you see these two angles, they are equal. So angle GHF equals angle GFH, and that equals 180 minus 144 divided by 2, and that is 6, 4, 10, 3, 36 out of 2, that is 18 degrees. So we get this as 18 degrees and 18 degrees. So along with that, we also know that because IFGH is an isosceles trapezium, so what would happen is this angle would equal to this angle. So we can find that because you know the sum of the angles of the trapezium would be 360 degrees. So we write that sum of angles of trapezium would be 360 degrees, and angle HIF is equal to angle IFG, and that would equal, so we have to do 360 minus 2 times 144 divided by 2, and then we'd be getting 360 minus 2 times 144 is 882 out of 2, and that equals 10 minus 8 is 2. So 2 and this is 5. So I get 7 plus 8 is 15. Yeah, so that is 72 out of 2. That is 36 degrees. So I get each of these angles as 36 degrees. So therefore we can say from here what would follow is, so therefore if I can say, so angle IFH would be equal to 36 minus 18, and that is 18 degrees. Now this could also be done in another way. I could also say that GH is parallel to FI because it's an isosceles trapezium, and angle GHF, so this angle would equal to this angle HFI, because they're alternate angles, so that is 18 degrees. So whichever way you do it, so the answer is 18 degrees. So I think right here it's equal to 18 degrees.